I think we were hoping that we could have a big family gathering like we're used to and like we haven't been able to have in the past couple of years.
Alberta's a week away from Thanksgiving, but there's still confusion as to how the province's restrictions will impact families coming together to celebrate. On Twitter, some Albertans say they'll still be having big family dinners, while others will be doing virtual gatherings. Some admitting they won't have dinners with unvaccinated family members. Current provincial rules allow vaccinated folks to have indoor private gatherings with up to 2 households and no more than 10 people, not including children. Indoor gatherings are not allowed for unvaccinated people.
And right now we do have people in our family who are not covered by vaccines. So they're not allowed to have any social gatherings indoors right now. Maybe we get creative and do something outdoors.
Edmontonian software developer Jeremy Nicorak normally shares Thanksgiving dinner with 12 to 15 of his family members at his grandmother's house. This year, he won't be able to gather indoors with all 5 households, so he wants to encourage his family to get vaccinated for future holidays.
Maybe we can get into shape where we could do American Thanksgiving, have it be a little bit later, but still get everybody together if everything is in better shape by then, or at least have Christmas.
Health law professor Lorian Hardcastle says she doesn't think the provincial restrictions on gatherings will be effective.
Having distinctions between vaccinated and unvaccinated gatherings is confusing. I think that enforcement is very difficult in private spaces, especially when what we're talking about are Thanksgiving gatherings, which tend to involve smaller numbers of people.
Premier Jason Kenney says that the provincial restrictions are in place to reduce the already heavy pressure on healthcare systems in Alberta.
It's why we have province-wide public health measures, mandatory masking, capacity limits, a ban on indoor socializing for people who are not vaccinated, the restriction exemption program, protocols in schools, and it's why we have these measures in place.
In Edmonton, Sarah Chu, City News.